Guys, na-miss nyo ba kami? Matagal-tagal din kami hindi nag-sister bonding! Yes! Saan naman tayo ate makakarating nito?
Mga guys, this is very interesting. Baka pumunta rin kayo after this.
Yes! We will make sure na ma-enjoy nyo itong new video ng sister bonding!
Oh no!
Look who's here!
Here the two again!
And alam niyo ba kung ano mangyari ngayon? It's sister bonding!
Woohoo!
Yes, alam ko naman inaabangan yung mga salita namin na yun, no?
So ngayon, today is Friday at hindi na naman pumasok si Ateng.
Yes, ateng.
Dahil malapit nang umalis ang aking sister.
Don't worry guys, magbabalik.
Kaya eto, nadagdagan natin ang mga
Memories ng sister bonding.
Okay, see you later. Sabi raw dito, plan your trip. So, eto na nga, sinunod na nga namin. Meron kaming trip ngayon. Right now, we're heading to Central. Ayan ang sundo.
Gala na tayo sis.
Any guess kung saan kami pupunta? Ang makahula, may prize. Let's go. Come on, Spain.
Excited na ako sis. Tagal ko rin na tayo sa house. Kaya marami akong energy today. Para gumala.
Saan makakarating? Tayo sa saan pupunta ang
Sister bondings!
Suburban, intercity, regional southwards, metro and light rail services. Followed by Central, the service will stop at Town Hall and William Wilson's Point.
Okay, nandito tayo ngayon. Papuntang Green Square. So, hulaan nyo kung kami pupunta.
Hulaan nyo kasi di ko rin alam. Hindi ako taga rito.
Tulungan nyo siya mga sis.
Alaman natin mamaya sa pagbalik ng sister bonding!
We're currently at Central Station. So, from Murray Hill, we stop at Central and another transfer all the way to Green Square.
Sama kayo?
Sama mo!
Let's go!
Ilan tayo sa baba? Ilan tayo sa baba? Dahil bababa rin tayo.
Isang sakay lang to.
Green Square na. The tourist. Oh my gosh, we've been there.
We've been here. We've been checking. This is check.
Watson's Bay,
Check.
Manly,
Yeah.
Circular Quay.
Town Hall. Been there.
This is a great map, guys. We're here at Green Square, but how come this is circle?
confusing.
Oh, Nor! I don't like that place. Bye! Bye, see you later. Welcome to Green Square.
Let's see if it's green.
Look at that. Look at that pose.
Dito pa lang sa loob yan. Paano pa pag lumabas na?
Let's go.
Hilo na lang ito.
Hello! We're here at Green Square.
Dinurog ako na.
Sa hangin. We're here.
Green Square.
Station pa lang yan, guys.
Wala pa kami sa main.
Uupo muna kami dito sa mga batuhan.
Ano? Ano ng Green Square?
Yun ang mga atake na upo. Umupo ka doon, umupo ka doon. Look at the sun. So freaking cool.
Ooh, who's that? Look at that. Ganun so. Yeah. Hangin. Kita niyo ba yun? Mga bukok.
Dahil lang ba dumating kami? Humangin na.
Para ba kaming bagyo ang biglang dumating?
Oh my gosh. Sinihinga na.
Sister.
Rejection is a must.
Be kind. Someday up.
Going that early, so maybe 12 minutes more. Depends how big is the
Kita ba? Wait, sis, tama ba itong nakikita ko? Look.
Ano bang nakita mo na naman?
It's boat.
Oh.
Bakit parang mali yung spelling, no?
Ay, oo nga, wrong spelling. Ano ba yan?
Okay lang, ibig sabihin dito ko parang nakikita ang aking pinagmulan. Antique Center.
Oo, kasi
Simula.
mukha kasing antique. Mitchell.
One and only boutique.
The name you can trust. Mitchell.
Quality than mass.
Guys, open siya today.
Only open for 7 days.
Only 7 days.
7 days.
Ang ganda ng tree, guys, oh. It's so huge. Look at that. Look at the roots. Just like the roots of my feet. Malapit na tayo.